So you can take a look in this list here. It's alphabetical, and you can scroll through the list and you can filter here, I suppose. So you can check if the organism that you work on is here. But I can already say that everyone who does not work with a vertebrate will not find his or her organism here in the list on Ensemble. Ensemble is only for vertebrates. So what if you work on non-vertebrates? It depends on which organism you work with, but for instance, for bacteria, NCBI is a very good solution. So for the non-vertebrates, people were really annoyed by the fact that Ensemble only offers vertebrates, and it is a very good website and a very good place to go for data and information. So people were annoyed by this, so an alternative website was built called Ensemble Genomes. Yeah? So where Ensemble has the URL ensemble.org, Ensemble Genomes has the URL ensemblegenomes.org. And it looks very much like Ensemble, but it is the Ensemble for all the things that were forgotten by the original Ensemble. So for plants or protists or fungi, I typically go here and take a look. So let's go to plants, for instance. And the benefit is that the structure of this website is very much similar to the structure of the original Ensemble. So we have the link downloads here, just like we had before. We end up in the FTP download, and when we scroll down, we see the same kind of table that we saw for Ensemble, but this time with all the plants. And we see the same FASTA files. So also here for the plants, you go for this one, DNA FASTA. You click the FASTA link and you end up here. What do you go for here? So you see individual chromosomes. And you see here the top level. So here the best choice, there's no primary assembly here. Here the best choice is the top level. So the top level is the full thing that contains all the chromosomes together in one file and the scaffolds. So the large sequences for which they don't know which chromosome they belong to. And also here I would go for the original one, so not for the repeat masks or the soft masked version.